Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to Kingdom Overlanding. If this is your first time, feel free to give me a subscribe. Would really appreciate that. So this weekend we're heading out north. Gonna find some pines, maybe some aspens. Just gonna try and get out of this miserable heat because it is just terrible right here. I think it was pushing like 118 this week. So even right now it's like I'm sweating so bad. It's just crazy hot. So we're gonna get out of the heat here, find some cool weather, hopefully get down below the 70s, and have a good time in the weekend. Again, thanks for watching.
Say hi.
Setting up camp. You guys find your sister's socks and shoes?
No.
That's what I thought.
Good kid. Good kid.
Did you guys sleep good last night?
Yeah.
Did you guys sleep good?
Yeah, I was really,
Scarlett?
yes. I was really cold. I was really
How did you
tired.
get under the blankets then?
I couldn't. So that's why I moved my blanket, my pillow, under the girls, so I could get the big blanket. Oh, it's a Daddy, we're gonna try a nectarine.
I may need you to climb in. Here, Ash. And open the cooler and get the bag of food.
And mine right there.
Take a bite and see if you like it. I think mine is wet. Aspens and pines.
We got our grandpa here.
Yep. Papa's here with us. So yeah, we're just looking for some awesome campsites, doing some off-roading with the expedition. Just enjoying this cool weather. So we actually overheated a little bit coming up the freeway. We didn't overheat, like it was just got a warning, check engine warning, so there's probably like, what do you think, Joe, like at least 15 cars that were pulled over?
Oh yeah, all overheating all over the place.
Yeah, there's all up and down the freeway just overheated. If that doesn't tell you it's hot out, I don't know what does. So this time of year, there is fire bans, 100%. No smoking, no campfires, no charcoal fires. There is one fire that's north, west of us, about 10 miles. But I think we got some rain last night, so I'm hoping that really helped that situation. So we came in last night and there was no dust. It literally had just rained. So
No dust.
we'll keep driving around today, find another campsite tonight, keep exploring, having a good time. Fine, Kinsley.
2 cans and 1
Trash. Your trash. I got some in the garbage right there. Drop Kinsley.
Dad, you said... so cool. Oh, I found an ant!
That's pretty good.
Ah! First caterpillar of the day, guys. First caterpillar. Bye. I got the camera. Here we go.
Alright, we're all loaded up. We're gonna head out to our next campsite. Took about an hour to pack up, which is about normal. But it's starting to get really cool out. Get some afternoon summer showers. But overall, this spot is great. I mean, got the patch, got the grass areas, the aspens, and let's move on out, find some more area. We had a little accident. Fitzy decided to eat the entire forest full of grass. Pooped it out in the car. Luckily we've got the floor mats. Able to hose it off. Back in business. Okay, my question for you, little children. Dog is back here pooping. Nobody says anything? You didn't smell it or see it?
No.
This 80-pound dog is back here pooping his butt out. You guys didn't smell it or see nothing?
No.
Yeah, nothing. All right, get in the car.
Oh, I don't want to take off my disguise.
Get in the car. Rain's a coming. Rain is coming. A little rainbow action. This guy's going crazy. Going right at us. we thought the rain was gonna hit, and it was getting kind of late in the day, so we set up camp. But girls still got tons of energy, so going a little hike, explore this little meadow,
Get our butts worked.
see what we see,
Hey guys.
get them worn out
Hey guys.
for a good night's sleep.
Can I tell them something? To get our butts worked out. Come on, people. You gotta get your butts worked out. What, Mom?
Ketchup and mustard?
Yes, please. What you got, Kins?
Hot dog.
Is it tasty?
Yeah. Not a whole go.
The hot dog?
Here you go.
You got next one.
I'm right there.
Did you eat it all?
No.
No, still eating it?
Yes. I literally just took
Charlotte, did you eat all yours, Charlotte?
I can't.
Good.
Did the same with the Kobe beef, chopped it up and patty out of it. So I'll put it on fan mode and turn off advanced track. And where are you camping?
Say hi.